Is it beautiful here? Look at that, so beautiful. Let's go to the lake. We're gonna walk a lot, we're gonna fish a lot. Hopefully we're gonna get some fish today. It's gonna be fun. Welcome guys to another episode. I finally reached the lake. I was dreaming about lake like so many times all winter around when I was living in Calgary, and now for a couple hours, but I'm still thinking I'm gonna hit that one. It's pretty much busy. Like I can see there's people over there. They already catch some, and then there's one more tent another way. Pretty much happy today. The first time for 2 months I went fishing. I got so busy and end of last year, so have no any chance. Like the last fishing in November. Now it's January something, 20 something. I'm gonna use sonar. You remember my sonar, Garmin? Yeah, everything packaged actually, just in the backpack. If you can see over there, end of the lake, there is a more shallow place, and as a fact, then place is more shallow, that's better. I was thinking I needed snowshoes here, but looks like no. There is a truck from the car. Looks like some people was there. We'll see if they have a bloody spot around. No, but they put some tree, so no trespassing. Eh? Need to find shallow spot, then we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. To listen to this quietness. Nothing, as you guys know. So this pretty much quiet place, and also snow make it place more quiet, because the snow, it's the natural, the noise protector, so you can just enjoy here in winter. Always more quiet, always more quiet. It's unbelievable. Of course I'm gonna try today Garmin, because I was expecting I'm not gonna reach the regular sonar, my human bird. But this guy is a good one too, because I'm planning for the next month, like February. It's going to be like 4 trips overnight with a hike and fish. Super excited. It's gonna be in the description around, and I need to know what I can with this. All right, so we have a strike cast application, and it's not working at all, eh? I knew it's gonna be like that. Come on, bro. Alright, it's not working. So, I already stopped the road. Unfortunately, I never tried to use Garmin Strike, the sonar, in the backcountry. I have another way, guys, to check the deep here. Simple, you're just gonna try to hit the bottom. Then you're gonna try to hit the bottom. You're gonna see how deep is it. Not deep at all. All right, well, we are here. So the first setup got it, and then I'm gonna go just a little bit in case of I'm so shallow there. So in case of this, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper. The first jacker done. It's over there. If the fish gonna bite, we're gonna hear it. I'm gonna drill one more hole here, a little bit far from the shore, because I want to make sure I'm not hitting too shallow spot, and we're gonna be fine. Because I see another people, they are a little bit far, like they deeper. A little clean up, just a little, make sure it's not slushy snow after when I drill the hole. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. The snow so fluffy. I want to jump here. There you go. Okay, this is a nice spot. Let's go. I don't feel it's gonna be so deep. Feel like we're gonna change the spot. All right. Everything set up. I set up one road here, about 20 meters from the shore, and another road over there, about 10 meters from the shore. As I can see, the deep here, pretty much same. It's just a different lure. So the one lure, it's a Joe Jacker powerweight nuts, and another one, it's just my shrimp. I'm gonna go around, check that out. Maybe I check it a little bit more. I can see fish. Oh, fish. Oh, shit. There you go. Oh my god, my dad changed the side. It's on the left hand side now. Woo! Oh, it's a brookie. Brook Trout. Oh, nice fish. Beautiful fish. But it's small guy. It's a little guy, little one. Oops. Oi. Bye bye. You're too small for me. You are too small. We're gonna try to catch the bigger one. Oh my god. It just worked out again. Oh, I think it's bigger. Ah, I know. I feel like it was the same size almost. Maybe even a little bit bigger. There you go. Nice. I feel like I'm gonna put the shrimp with another one too. It makes sense for me more. My Garmin didn't work, so I just watched on the bottom and then I saw the weeds. This is probably key to find the fish. And I pull up from this hole already too and release it because it's small. First of all was small, and the second fish just come out, and I set up again, and then I set up another rod over there, like literally 10 steps away. And while I'm waiting for fish, which I'm gonna have it, I guess. See, I don't know, I'm not sure. So I have a tortilla here, and I have some veggie, I have a chicken, so I'm gonna cook lunch for myself. It's two. Oh, I'll go there. Where's the fish? I'll go. Where's the fish? I'll go. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? All right. Oh my God, it's come up. And I don't have a fish. Another one. What the hell is going on here? Yes, got a fish. Oh my God, this is a good idea. Woo! It's a keeper. Nice rainbow. It's a nice rainbow, guys. It's a nice rainbow. Nice rainbow. It's a nice eater. I'm gonna take this fish and bring it home. Thank you so much, Story. Thank you so much. 2 action from 1 hole. And finally I have 1 fish. I bring it home. Oh my goodness, I think I still can use it. I'm gonna use it still. It's okay. Good. It's okay to me to use it again. There you go. We're gonna go down again. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I have another fish. Is it recording? I couldn't do anything. I already got a fish, another fish. Oh, it's too deep, eh? It's got it too deep. I would let it go, but I don't see hook, unfortunately. This fish keeper too, because I can't do anything. Yeah, can't do anything. Oh my goodness, I catch these two fish one by one. One by one. Huh? Rainbow and beautiful brook trout. Alright, see if I can catch more. Bon appetit! Ah. Come on, man, it's again worked. Alright, got a fish. Bye bye. Joe Jacker is crazy, hey? Where's the big fish? Where's the big fish? Fish? What? No, I can't. Oh my god, just was installed in the road and got a fish. It's a good size. I feel like it's good size. Feel like it's good size. Oi, 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 oi. Oh my god, don't come out, please. Big brook, big brook. Please, big brook. Big brook. No. It's pretty much good size for this lake. Look at the size. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woof. Oh yeah, it's a good size. Folks, look at that. Oh my goodness. Nice fish. Nice fish. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, man. For a woman. Oh wow. It's then deeper, the biggest size, eh? I couldn't even set up. It's already hit right away recently. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's it. So done for today. It was a nice day. Pretty much warm. I didn't use any tent or something. This is all my gears right there. You can see it's just a backpack, fully set up by my fishing gears. And then I finally, for the long time, I used my hand drill. It was funny. But anyway, it's good to remember something special. I got 8 fish today for the 2 hours here in the lake. I think it's lucky time for me, because I asked the people in front when I just start fishing and they got 1 fish for 1 hour. Actually, I start from the shore, like 10-20 meters from the shore to set up, and it was a bad idea. I don't know why. Usually trout just chilling around the shore, but not today. It's they hitting now like more deep spot. And another thing, you have to find like a weeds a little bit, because the trout, they don't really looking for soil or something like that. Anyway, like, or incline, like the deep changing or something like that. So thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe on my channel. It's so enjoyable, like, to watch, like, still subscribers going up even if you stop posting every week. Now I'm gonna package my stuff, and a long time to go home, because it's a danger place and you have to cut your speed twice and think about it twice, how to turn and how to drive. It's still Joe Jacker here, another Joe Jacker over there. I'm gonna be here like for 10 minutes, maybe I can catch something still. We'll see. Bye, see you next time, guys. Bye bye.